everyday people, everyday lives. Webafethu nansi indaba enkulu, heartfelt stories, different perceptions, different perspectives. Wosa ngixoxela indaba, these are stories from the hood. Cheers.
Okay, sibingelele sikwamukela ohlelweni the Everyday People Show. Once again we are back after isikhathi eside. Hey, siyabonga ukuthi we back and siyabonga ukuthi we are able to make these episodes again. Thank you for staying, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing a page and keep on sharing page lethu ku YouTube and make sure ukuthi abantu abaningi bathola page and bakwazi ba subscribe, bakwazi ba part of this journey sihamba. You know, this is the Everyday People Show. Sikhuluma nabantu ba everyday, sikhuluma nabantu abenza izinto who are doing extraordinary things emphakathini, abantu aba prominent, abantu abenza izinto ezibonakala emphakathini. So today next to me ngihleli la to the guy that I will call a legend, to the guy that I will call someone who has been in the game of hip hop since day one. Since the days of Bluetooth, I've known this guy. Since the days of before social media, before everything. Next to me, a producer, a rapper, a CEO. Oh, you're on the CEO now, eh? Greyvooka. Abantu bathi to Greyvooka, mina ngikhule ngathi ugasela wamampela because sikhule sazi leyo nto le. Greyvooka my brother. Greyvooka ivuka kwini number Greyvooka. Thina sazi ugasela wamampela. Ashayeli inamba ezimnandi.
Ngiyawushela umbuzo every time umampela ubuza because uyimali yabo.
Yeah. No, I'll pay you.
Actually, when I get paid in royalties, I have a story behind the name. I have an album, Keeper, just expressing how it came about and how it became part of your brand and everything. How I was able to switch from Ugasela Mampela to
Greyvooka.
It's actually alter ego type of thing.
Oh, it's another side of you.
Yes. We express elokishini ngiphuma kulo in terms of music, because music hall.
Oh,
now
so it's more. It was more like Ugasela was the classic guy. Greyvooka is now getting out of Ikasi.
Ugasela was the guy who I express and Greyvooka is actually more creative. Can actually come into your world and paint isithombe sakho and help you paint isithombe sakho.
And you've been painting pictures for this kind of back in the let's go back in the days before bekhona ugasela wamampela. Before it where did it all start? Where did the inspiration of music? When was the first day where you said, you know what, I'm gonna do this music thing? When was that?
Dala bafo. Okay, ngasho ukuthi influence iphuma nasekhaya.
Yeah.
Timer love music. Timer belingibukisa music kusukela dala, Michael Jackson,
oh yeah,
Mambazo. Baningi yabo. Actually at my cassettes, ama video, my performances.
So ekhaya nje ukhula, there's always been music.
Plus I used to steal a CD yakhe emotweni because I drive the taxi.
Oh, yeah. Bafaka kulesha indisela. Yeah.
So actually fell in love with different types of music. So actually interested in how they make the music. More than what's
You know what's interesting? You are telling me about the ballads umjela ngo Michael Jackson. Akukho la kukhona hip hop. You understand? And thina sazi ukuthi Grey maybe right now you usuthe udevelop wangena nakwamanye ama-genres. But thina sazi ukuthi Grey, sazi ukuthi ugasela is a person hip hop. So after sulalele ekhaya walalela ama-Soul Brothers from your time, walalela Michael Jackson, Black Mambazo, when do you say hip hop now?
Because after looking at all wonke lama-genre, indlela engangi-expressa ngayo mina was from a classic guy. Mhlawumbe abanye baye bathi nigga.
Yeah.
Kusalithwala kakhulu nale
lelo gama.
Yithi sasibizwa ngama-nigga.
Lelo gama actually
yithi impela abantu ababebizwa ngama-nigga. Kusase yiphuthu kuba Yeah.
Do you remember the first lyrics you wrote?
Yo. Yeah, not really got them. Yeah, what about my concept now? More about life. So what about life? Yeah, more personal.
Yeah,
I wasn't as creative as now. I need more personal. Everything was about me, how I feel, what I do, how I do it. Everything was personal. Greyvooka is more creative.
Usokwazi nokubuka impilo yomunye umuntu and write about impilo yomunye.
Yes. I can actually do that more now. Not even involved. That's why I'm not getting a tool because I can actually do a lot of things.
Now we're gonna get into that because I know the size which back then I know Kasela is dropping, Kasela is everything, Kasela is like this. But lately, but I understand the number no cooler and everything. None of booking that is the way that you used to we born a call. I want to know the first day Use stood or whatever that was called the stood at that time because you asked me just mounted computer you could. Yeah, the first day you recorded a song, the first day you heard yourself, Ukula. Do you remember the song? What was our feeling at that time?
Yo, angikwazi ukuyichaza feeling yabo ifana ne-feeling yokuqonda kokuqala ayichazi like awulali.
Yeah.
Actually ingoma engayirekhoda, shout out to Inhlekzini production, ngayirekhoda Inhlekzini.
Yeah.
My first ever song was a love song. Yayinomkhutshana ke mayihamba hamba eligijima lapha phakathi emavesini. Ngayidlalela abazali.
Inomkhobila.
Excited ngaya ama lyrics ngavele ngangawanaka ngafike ngayidlala nje.
Ekhaya.
Yeah, dlalela oledi, my sister was there. Abashana. Yeah, ngayidlala. Ngiyadlala ka-3 ngayizose ngidlala kwesithathu sengiyilalela nami.
Which one was that song? Was it popular?
Relationships. That was the title of the song. Recorded Inhlekzini made the beat. I paid for the song. I paid $50 at that time. Kwaku 50 rand ukurekhoda ngathi ekhaya ngishaya school trip ngathatha imali ngastu. Ngashaya ingoma.
So what isigele siyamasha kanti isigele simasha wena we studio.
Hayi ekhaya bayazi isikele ngokuyinto zami.
And you made a song.
Yeah, I made a song. Actually something good came out of that because yona into engingasho ukuthi iyabasiza kwabona ekhaya because yangiqoqa straight.
Were you one of those?
Yeah, bengizohlupha nje strong. Yeah.
So music actually saved you.
Yes.
A lot of people basho wenza but music actually won't save you.
Actually give Maxine past tense. Music saves me every day.
Even the man.
Yeah, because ama temptations maningi abasemhlabeni nje akwenza ukuthi ufocus entweni engabalekile. So the fact that ngiyawuthanda ngalendlela namanje ngisakwazi ukuhlala endlini iminyaka wonke abantu bengibuka just making music. Like it's not about ukuthi uyaphuma yabo wenzani. I'm making music and I'm happy so I'm living. That's life to me. That's just life.
Gasela uMampela mina personally ngikwaze before ngikwazi face to face because ngiyakhumbula when I met you there was a show be like in Nambi Trade Center. Remember lapha ngemuva there was a show that was happening there. I don't know bekumpunya but back in the days there was something that was happening there. That was the first day I actually saw you ngamehlo. But bekwazi the Bluetooth in fact the Bluetooth was everything. Guys before internet the Bluetooth. Bluetooth I feel like we owe it Bluetooth something. You know now we might mhlawumbe so mhlawumbe iyiphi ingoma that you think made uGasela uMampela wa popular elokishini even ngaphandle kwaselokishini because mina ngiphume elokishini lakho ngiphumela nami la ngiphuma khona emakhaya but I knew you there is that so which one song ziningi ingoma odume ngazo use uGasela uMampela but which song do you think this is this song? I remember lina ngikhuluma noMagolide and nayo uthi inale ngoma le emhonda even today. Whenever makumele perform people will say qala ngale ngoma leya qala ngale. Which song do you think made uGasela?
The truth is we had too many classics.
Yeah.
Abantu abarelate now so bekuya ngokuthi ngiliphi igasi, but I think eyasibonisa kakhulu like kube nesixeviso.
Yeah.
Ne-short list, maybe 3.
Yeah.
Metric dance.
Yeah. You were part of Metric Dance.
Yes,
you produced it.
Oh,
a remix.
Yes,
There was a remix.
The remix was more popular.
Yeah.
Me, Edu Lead, and
Marco Lead, yeah.
They made the beats. I think I actually touched something with production, even though ngangena knowledge etheni at that time. So ngangisawumuntu osayifunda production. Yeah. So I'm sure loke ngakwenza
So Metric Dance is this song.
Yeah.
Bese kuba
sekufike ugasela wamapele yabo that song enolida
khona lethi
bese
ikolabo nisikhuthela that was my song.
Yo, actually after I wrote that song bangishayela ukuthi bathi ngibasukelile on a song.
So bakubambe inkunzi bekubambe
song.
Okay, wait. Babekubambela ukuthi you made the song about them.
Not really. Babebamba umuntu nje. Then they found out yile ntwana le. Yona ntwana ushelana ukuthi kubamba inkunzi.
Serious?
Yeah, babe ngiphaphela yabo it was there yabo like lento yasemalokishini ukuthi lentwana iya rap nini engoma ethi so yabo bayenza kwathi ngisho bona yabo so bafuna ukungirephisa rapper la. But yeah, I think abangibamba ngenkunzi serious labo because they knew me. Babefuna ukungirephisa nje bengiphaphe because baba usesazi nakho iPhone nakho lutho khona ama rhyme yabo is coming inside.
So bakubamba the rap?
Yeah, that's the rap.
What rapper?
No, ngangithuki.
But wena ntona yithi ya rapper wena. Rapper.
Bamhleka bathi.
Vai.
But that's actually cool because I realized lapho ukuthi but abantu basithanda basilande. Despite ukuthi bayipi crowd. Basithanda.
How was it ukufaka hip hop elokishini? Because I believe that you guys were one of the guys who actually introduced what is called the hip hop elokishini. I know the feeling because also now where I come from, I was one of those first people who actually introduced the hip hop, and I know it wasn't easy. What were you introduced to introduce a hip hop band who actually didn't care about hip hop?
Can actually say it was interesting, it was challenging, it was fun, it was dope because gospel lathina ukumela something esipilivela nje.
Yeah.
Kwasikhanda ukuthi sifunde nezinye izinto elifini ukuthi kumele ngikwazi ukuyimela nje. Mangathi ngiyithanda kumele ngiyimela
story
because ubucwaseka ndlela thizini like abafowethu esikhuleni nabo waqoka nje ikipi seliqondile akusengathi abasawa
agqoka iduku
ye wena Tupac oza la uthi yo uyalazi igama lami ngibiza ukuthi yabo awapha yona mara pu
that's cool kodwa somehow
it was cool mangabe it we good day. Sometimes ngithola nami ngixakele into zami njengomjida ngizothi yona Tupac
and you don't feel like Tupac
ngalelo langa ngifeel nje Tupac then now we have a problem. So we fought for hip hop. I can actually say that. Literally fought for hip hop. Kukhona abantu ababeyisa that far umuntu aza akudonsa ngekepisi.
Abanye bekushaya.
Yeah, because athi uzokwenzani yabo wena uyinika yabo and sometimes we had to stand up abanye sasibasaba sibuya sesicrowd sesamanini sesamanika
amabhloko atebhila lapha phansi amathing makhulu.
We fought for all of them because kwakuyisweke engajwayelekile kwakuyinto enga-understand umuntu elokishini ukuthi ibhloko elihleli la kwakuyindlela yethu yokuyi-express even though nathi sasinge-understand fully ukuthi ichaza ukuthini because may I tell you even today most of amajita atebhisa awazi ichaza ukuthini utebhisa mina ngakuyeka utebhisa because angikwazi ukujustify till today ukuthi ichaza ukuthini.
You can't explain.
No, I just know ukuthi it was cool and we did it
and that's it.
That's part of
but when I got uchaza now you don't know
yiko ngasatebhisa ukuthi not utebhisa ngithi yazi into zethu ngisakwenza but so mawukwenza style
I know, you know, umncane, you are young, you are good looking, we are rapper, ugasela umampela, you have these songs ziyadlala emafonini. Obviously girls obviously ingane is going to be like, yes, this guy unengoma. Back in those days kungasinto everyone to have ingoma. Did you have a challenge mhlambe, or did you enjoy the attention amantombazane actually gave you at that time?
I enjoy kancane because it was too overwhelming.
Yeah.
I understand. Cause okay, most are cooler. At that time, inganesikhathi la uthola khona umuntu etshela ukuthi yabona uzoshada naye so yabo split isikole and what not, and then bese kufika amantombazana awu6 on the thanda unentombi. And then now you have a problem because
Amahle. And you're like, hey, ngizoyenza njani manje?
and i-challenge izokushaya kakhulu. Wonke umuntu ufisa ukuba wena and ushawe pressure ukuthi noma yiphi decision kuzohlezi ukhona umuntu ethi wena uyabhayiza. Do you understand?
Noma ungakhetha lo,
Noma ungahamba nawo noma ungawayeka
Thatha bo.
khona uzohlezi ethi wena uyabhayiza wena. So it was too much pressure. Amantombazane nje it was too much pressure. And I can honestly say the pressure eyangishaya mina ngiyikhulumele mina because I'm one of the people who contributed to a teenage pregnancy. Yes. I had kids from a young age. Yes. Ingane yami iqala ngo-2012. Ngo-2012 I was very young.
and you can imagine how young.
Yeah, you understand. And now I'm sure what shall I pressure was, yo, I like this guy, we are rapper, there's nobody else who raps like this.
And now you work with abantu abasebancane, like you work with Dr. Smile now. You're very young. Do you take time and tell them actually and warn them about mhlambe izinto that you couldn't ungawazanga uyigwema wena, because nobody was telling you actually ukuthi don't do this. Now you work naleke ngencane, I know. Do you actually take time and say, guys, as much as we do music, people will appreciate lento yenzayo and abanye abantu will act this way, bese kube ngathi mhlambe bayathanda or something, but ungakaxeli where engakaxeleko. Do it, let me just not personalize to you also, because also now I also work with abantu abancane. Do you think we do take time and teach these young guys actually, guys, don't do this, don't do this, don't do that?
We do. Okay, more ngezenzo.
Yeah.
Because amagama ehamba wodwa angeke azosebenza.
Yeah.
That's why amagama mangasebenzisa ngiwathi ngithi yenza okuhambiselana nawe, kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi akusiyona yonke iminyango evulekayo kweyakho. Understand? Because khona iminyango ezovuleka nje, akusho ukuthi ngokuvulekile ngeke. So mina ngezenzo zami ngithi ngoba ungibona ngenza ukuthi yengoba kuhambisana nami. Angisho ukuthi uwenze, angisho ukuthi ungakwenzi, ngisho ukuthi check ukuthi kuyahambisana nawe. Do you understand? Because noma ngathi umuntu angayenzi into, what if into zakhe? Like,
what if yona inyango wakhe ngempela lo?
Because nathi lokho esikwenzayo manje, there was a time abantu babengakholela ukuthi ikona. Njengamanje bathi ba proud of le siyenza. So kube wathi ungayenzi le.
So you, in other words, you say, if
I'm saying if fan base more, to be specifically amateur.
Yeah.
Iyona yangiboost ukuthi ngibe more popular. Do you understand? So what chase
to have lawo mantombazane around you.
Yes, what entertainer actually worked for me. You understand? Because amantombazane actually pay for lento esiyenzayo. If ngikhipha iCD wona yethenga kakhulu. If senza ama event wona khokhe sami. Amajida afuna ukuthi awungiphi iCD.
Edamzana.
Awungifake sami. Top 4 angiyakwazi. Ubiza uGrey lapho fethu uyabo umtshela ukuthi yabo ngiyamazi yabo. So knowing amantombazane modern abafana kwangisebenzela mina.
Even though kwaba khona lo bhayizo kwaba khona lokukhuluma indaba ye teenage pregnancy.
Kwaba kuningi ukubhayiza ukuthi sise safe namanje. Yeah, sise safe because akekho ngabhayiza, mina ngabhayizela ngalapha, abanye babhayizela kuku.
I know usebenze kakhulu nabantu magolide leader, I know leader magolide. nobathathu. Not disrespect kwabanye, but those were 3 people that actually masikhuluma ngezakhini that actually popped up, even not ezakhini phela umnandi as a whole, that popped up ngokushesha okukhulu. You know, people will know ingoma zenu not even knowing you. When did you guys meet and when did you guys start working nobathathu?
2009. Can say 2009. 2009 was my first year in recording. 2009 September.
Yeah.
Leader was already recording. Leader was already recording. I figure late in now.
Yeah.
Ngangibhala, ngireheza, but ngingakaze ngithola istudio.
Ichance ukuthi ungene studio and record.
So uqala ukusebenza noMagolide ngoba ngase nginengoma enhlekisini.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. I had a song already, so I was feeling confident. Approach you, bro. I have a song.
Yeah.
You can listen to it, and I'd like to work with you also. And he didn't make it hard, all of that. Now, in the house now, come see me.
Then.
Yeah, I'm going there. I'm figure studio. I'm figure Guspana. What's up, Bala?
Wapala.
What
record.
Record. Yeah. Go na mathi stay 20 something so nasele su 3. Hey. So ngalezo ingoma nje zimbala wathiwa make that song.
Yeah.
Kwakhatha because kwasekucheck I think wayesefuna abantu ezosebenza nabo closely.
Yeah.
Baningi abantu esenza so during ispane kwaspana mina naye and then sezwa leader.
Yeah.
Actually, a guy, a man, I can't expose names, but calling Chito, I look at figures or rap Maranga lead a studio.
No, let's call it. I said expose. Let's do it, bruh. Probably very Chita manje doesn't give a shit about those lyrics. Let's
Yo, bro, it's not my fault, bro. You fucked up.
Who's that?
Prince. Yeah, I was actually umngani wakhe Prince.
Yeah.
So where figure Prince?
I don't even know Prince.
So, man.
So you will come in studio and rap.
This is a norm. And feature him.
Okay.
Yabo, sazi ukuthi dope uyafika spana. Kanti akusiwa wakhe.
That was before you guys started working with no leader, ne?
Yeah. Sesikuleader wayerecorda kwenye indawo, siyazizwa ingoma zakhe sizwa ngabantu and then sinokubona yabo abantu bereact to izinto yabo. And then lo mjito ofika udope wagcina sitshelile ngoleader. Siya okay mina ngidope kodwa khona enye intwana kumele nje.
Akasho actually
How next thing boom uyafika lo mjito yabo.
Yeah.
Think uMagolide wamlanda eScale. I think ulead not sure.
Yeah.
Wakuthumela umlayezo bamtshela eScale ukuthi uyamfuna ufuna ukusipana naye.
So from there, mfethu, I know ileso sikhathi la and then the game started changing. It's a fact. The game started changing. A lot of people started rapping. When do you transition from uKasela Mampela to Greyvooka?
Exactly when the game started changing. But mainly because indlela yokuphusha yashintsha. By the time come up athina sesifika kwi-peak yethu, we had Hood Fame, we had everything edingwa umuntu we-upcoming artist. Yabo inamba abantu abakuthanda abaningi, fan base, uyakwazi ukutour. We were able to tour without funds.
True.
Sihamba amakhaya, amalokishi, perform, yabo, and actually get people out. So yashintsha game in terms of internet, radio, TV. Ilezi izinto bese more popular mase kuthiwa ngempela artist. And thina bese sikunlockile lokho kwese-strike.
Senikwenze konke kwasekasi.
Yes. So bese kumele move from that point. I think we actually needed managers. That's the only thing at that point. Ukuthi kwakusaduma ukuthi kusuke i-record label eGoli izonsayina ngakini. So by the time sekuyithina sisukwi-peak engasekho lona sekumele wena usuke uhambe eGoli. So,
and you guys didn't go to it, Joseph?
Not same time, We actually took
time. Why? Because at that time, Omuimuntu will say, guys, I've done everything, guys, now. I've done everything. I'm Nambiti. I've done everything as I can. There is actually nothing I can do here. Let me move to a bigger city or to a bigger town. Basically, most of our artists, ne? And did you guys try to move from Msugu Nambiti, Ntabeni, Joe's, Ntabeni, Deben for greener pastures?
Yes. We did. Besebancane that time. So umuva ngetalent kuphela awukho aware of izinto zomhlaba. Which is also i-fault yethu because azange sithathe isikhathi stylish igame esikuyona. We were just talented. Okay, raw talent.
Which is what abantu abaningi actually abangena egaming abayenzayo now. It's just like I'm talented, I just want to make music.
Mina ngizoblow up.
Yeah.
Thola noma ngaliphi ibhuda lithi lizongenzela izinto angilibuzi ukuthi ngenzela kanjani.
Pack my bags. Yeah.
Ngiyasipana. Makusuka record ngiyarecord angibuzi.
So where were you, Josie?
Yeah. Ngaye Josie even kusukela kudala. Bengiye Josie even amajita engakaye Josie. But uMagolide think wayesebaya kaningi because he used to record the studio sesirecord uJuju. Just the peak yeah.
Oh, okay.
Entertainment.
Before
every day.
Okay.
Before actually comes out. It's hip hop shit, bro. Angeke azasho. Shit. Yeah, so
before you jola 99.
Yeah, before you before angenindaba samanje. So kahle kwakuyena one of the people esasibukela kuyena.
Chup, yeah.
Just moving upstate.
Were there deals that you declined, mhlambe, at that time? Even now, I got my deals that comes to you, mhlambe, same time a record company or someone is saying, Gray, maybe right now you need to have a company or you need to have a manager that will manage you or you need to have blah blah. Have you turned down my deals before or even now?
I'm not saying down here,
Okay. Why?
Ngibalekela ukwathena down because before ngibe ne-knowledge ngingabalekeliswa ukuthi angifuni ukuvuma into engi-understand and I have nobody at my corner who understands. To understand. So I need time to understand it mina myself. Ngizokwazi ukuyikhuluma. It took too long. Now I understand. So ngasho ukuthi is nalawe ngwajikisa manje ngwajikisa now because I understand
ukuthi why ngwajikisa.
Sengiyabona nalawe ngwajikisa ukuthi ngabe I'm no more because ngangizuthi.
Yes. So what was the biggest deal that you think nansi deal engayijikisa and this one was going to be big?
Well, I can't say names, but it was a big artist who I feel in Miami.
No, you can say names. There was actually an artist who wanted your
song. Yeah, he wanted my song. Mina ngangimsendele ukuthi ngidwana ngiyapusha and then on.
Yeah.
When something it was 2013.
Wow, was it Josie KZN?
Was a KZN.
And it was popping at that time.
Durban, yeah.
Who was Moja Po?
I want to go to more pool up at Durban, yeah. Shonji. Oh, Makahuna. Oh, Akanisha.
Actually, but Akanisha also wanted your music.
Not really, actually. I can't say names.
No, you can. No,
we actually had a problem. We are Zaz. I don't actually like it guys today. We are one disa even.
I wonder how much of is it
one disa even on radio because we actually had it not even a disagreement. We were talking about Indoze rap, we show and Sapixana window show, and then after that he was saying some things about me on radio.
Uzawe, eh? Who's that Gandhi?
Angicebisa impela hayi cha inkosi mana ngakusini. Hayi ngishiwa ngizitshela off the camera. Esha camera. Yeah, cause yabo ngavona ukuthi yabo njengamanje akasenayo icloud so angavuka ngami yabo.
Oh.
Yena sengabona opportunity ukuthi
no, I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, but man.
I know what you're talking about.
I would drop names, man.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Uzovuka ngami.
Nah, so mase ngiluka amagama. You must check.
So mention
just
so check up with the
no, man, no, I understand. Anyway, let's look at the game now, bro. Now, Greyvooka, now you're one of the dopest producer we know at KZN. I've seen you've worked with Big Zulu in one of his biggest songs.
Yes.
How did that come about? Usebenza no Big Zulu kanjani?
Okay. Big Zulu angeke ngithi ngiyamazi engathi umngane wami yabo.
Yeah.
But ngiyamazi before sisipane isikhathi eside before sisipane. Actually been to my birthdays akhe esimemile. I've been to my shows akhe. I've rolled with him a few times. Yabo sike sachila before isipane.
Before nayabe Big Zulu lo simaziyo right now.
Yebo ukuthi ke ngeke ngithi ngimazi kudala kakhulu. But ngiyamazi kudala before abe Big Zulu. Yabo. Ngimazi via umngane wami akhule naye. Yabo. Yeah.
So you producing a song album yakhe ukuhamba njani?
Kufike kanjalo impela ukuthi ngiclose ngaleyo ndlela nabantu abazi
asondene
until aze ukuthi ngiyenzani. So at some point wayene event birthday celebration yakhe eJozi ngasuke eKZN ngaya khona. I was supposed to play beats. We had technical issues naye unkabi nabo bonke abantu esasikhona nabo noma ngeke ngisho ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa
you got secrets wena
uyazi nayo magame ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo. Yeah, so ngagcina ngingenzekanga lusa khona singaperformanga singadlalanga ama beats. But he knew ukuthi I have dope beats. That's why wayengamali ukuthi ngifike ngizo display ispan even though. So at some point we're going to hit it up with Dr. Send up here.
So how does it feel? I don't know, no more phone or WhatsApp. How does it feel to get a WhatsApp as example coming from Big Zulu and say, bro, I want your beat.
That's it, yo. Okay, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiya understand the game njengamanje. I understand it's not a big deal until the work is done. Yabo. Kusengenzeka kube into engaphasi. How things go.
I understand.
Endaweni eziningi nana. Kusengenzeka nje usenda ama beats awu 90. Ngenzeka ukuthi unyaka wonke. Yabo. So at that time ngimsendela I actually sent him a beat engayikhanda ngo 2014, 2015 and he used it 2019.
And it worked.
Yes.
And song is that Ivuma isn't it? Yeah.
Way back.
So what was the deal there? Because most of the time these days abantu abaziyo around indawo of music will tell you ukuthi there is war nabantu abakhulumayo about owning music wakho, owning ama-royalties akho and all these things. Did you guys sit down and had a deal with actually? Did he just buy the beat from you or you just gave the guy the beat? Or there was an agreement with actually, if this song do good,
well, actually, I'm from my end.
I'm
gonna tell you this. From my end, I understand how the game goes. I understand ukuthi izinto eziningi ezikhulunywa upfront. Zenzeka kanjani. So, understanding him and how the game goes, it was a matter of the opportunity on my end.
Oh, okay, I get you.
Yeah, since ngingakazi ngimhluphe, it's cause ngangikhanda leyo opportunity ukuthi angangazi njengomuntu omhluphayo vele, yabo. Like amhluphe gaming like.
So it was more like
it was more of a
here's a beat.
Yes, it was more like
if you use it, I'll be honored.
Yes, and ngiyazi ukuthi uzoyenza ivara. Kodwa ukuthi kangakanani sekukuwe. You understand? Because I needed to up my profile.
I get
you. He needed smash hits.
I get you.
Gave him a smash hits. I upped my profile. The rest, say we bonus. You understand? So
okay. It's catching us up at I know we can talk about you, about what you do for a long time.
Now still part 2.
Part 2 is needed. Right now, Greyvooka business.
Greyvooka in German to push Way of Life Entertainment, which is actually a company engisebenza nabafowethu kuyona. I own part of it.
Okay.
Not all of it.
Okay.
I have partners. So ngisebenza nabantu abanjengo Asanda Zondi.
Okay.
Ngisebenza nabantu abanjengo Hlanganipho Dlamini, DJ Nasto.
Oh yeah, Nasto.
Yes. So yeah, abantu abaningi nje ngisebenza nabo on the technical side. Yabo. Yeah, share distribution from Galo.
Yeah.
Push plan.
Oh, okay.
Publishing sishelo, share publishing.
Pushile majita, ne?
Yes. Actually, the biggest share publishers for Ricky Casper, all of them.
So you actually know my colleagues at Casper.
Yes.
You're like,
Let's somewhere else is in the Might not be underlying. Yeah. So I also have an artist in WOL Entertainment, which is with Dr. Smiley.
Yeah.
Calling now on set. Yeah, with Dr. Smiley. It's dropping usually, so he's singing there soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon. When is soon?
I'm at distribute someone that's calling me now on my dates.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. In Conto Trap.
Yeah.
Q no tag.
Hey.
They have a song called Imudi.
Imudi. That song gets me in the mood every time. That song. And looking Spova kill the
Too much.
Crazy.
Too much.
Yeah. So yeah. Who else?
So many people I'm working with, man. Like, so many people I'm working with.
So
Leader.
Oh yeah.
Fire. Fezig.
So you guys just do music. And what now they are branding to merchandise, they are branding to music. Do all you guys only do music for now? Or you focus on music? No, you guys do aside. Okay,
we're actually looking into everything ehambiselana ne-entertainment.
Okay.
But njengamanje i-main element music. Yabo. Sifuna ukuthi mase sifika nalokunye sesikupromote sekuyiquality njengoba music kuyiquality. Instead of mhlawumbe si announce into kuse-early ibene ngakaqondi. But music sesine showcase ukuthi uyiquality. Whenever we drop, siyazi ukuthi.
All right. So I heard Dr. Smile is gonna drop soon. Anything else can you expect soon from Your Way of Life?
Yes. You can expect to ama bookings, ama shows everywhere. You can expect to see us on TV soon. You can expect to hear from us on radio. Everywhere, kahle. We're just setting up things,
From your side, when a person as Grey, as Uka said, I mean, because I still call you Uka said. Is there anything you can drop for us? Mixtape nyana, some EP nyana, there.
Hey, Rusty man.
Rusty. Yeah, that's a
Hey, yapalega.
Not like
it takes longer now,
yeah.
The writing process I'm saying longer because now I think of mangicabanga studio session ngisacabanga ukuthi yomele ngirecord. Sengicabanga ukuthi isikhathi. Who do I need with session? Ngimfikisa kanjani with session? Senzani kanjani ukuthi mayiphela? Be productive. How do we push the song? How do we make sure the song meets our standards?
So it's no longer just about let me record. There is a whole lot of
so, and especially since it comes from my end, mina mase kumele ngicabanga ama rhyme. Ngicela ngirepa ngokuthi ngizoyiphusha kanjani. I send it to share. Say where's my money? They say it's right here.
Okay, let me thank you for your time. I know possibly this is the longest interview you've ever done. Thank you for your time, bro. Thank you for making this cut and come here and talk to us. There is a lot. Also, but that's the thing about me. If one I know I'm gonna get you.
We definitely need a part two.
We definitely need a part two. Thank you for your time, man. Good luck with everything that you do. Way of life and everyone way of life. Now the song is if you are my brother.
#WOL.
You know. So we hope and we pray. I pray each and every day, each and every year, at least to have that one artist or that group, as you were saying, that actually make it to the mainstream. Big, you understand? So I pray that one day it will happen, and I know it is going to happen one day. Good luck with everything. Thank you for your time.
Can I just say one thing?
Thank you.
Man. Please, guys, as everybody, artist, independent or not, get yourself a publisher, man. Get paid. Get paid.
Get yourself a publisher, get paid. Greyvooka, the legend. I don't know about you, but thank you for his kati. And thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep on subscribing. Chelaman ba subscribe. Chelabangan ba kuma subscribe. Chelabangan ba kuma subscribe. Ngayon kindle. Siyabonga for taking your time. Until next time. Sure.